Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to talk about these two new launches from Dot & Key Skincare. So Dot & Key launched these new hydration heroes sometime in the end of January. I have been testing these out ever since. My skin is very dry, it lacks hydration, so I need something that can add that boost of hydration. And I really like the idea of having hydrating serum and hydrating gel creme so that you can have a very nice hydrating skincare regime in place. This is not only minimal but will suit a wide variety of skin types. The formula of both the products is so light. So let's start with Hydration Booster Capsule Serum. As you can see, it has small capsules inside the formula. Now this formula is made with the capsule technology. It locks in the nutrients of the ingredients and keeps it potent for a longer period of time. It also has a mix of two of my favorite skincare ingredients. One is hyaluronic acid and second one is ceramide. The Dot & Key Hydration Booster Capsule Serum has 2.5% of hyaluronic acid and 0.5% ceramide. So hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite skincare ingredients because it can hold 1,000 times of its own weight in water, which means it's going to keep all the hydration locked and sealed inside your skin, and it also makes your skin look really nice, plump and smooth. It just sinks into the skin so easily, so quickly, doesn't leave any greasy, sticky residue behind. It doesn't have any headache inducing strong fragrance. It has watercress that boosts collagen and makes skin look youthful. The serum also restores glow and luminosity, and it has lotus flower. So lotus extracts contain vitamin C, B complex, antioxidants and fatty acids that lead to a more nourished and brighter complexion. It has watercress, which is rich in vitamin C. It prevents the breakdown of collagen and elastin, leading to a younger, healthier and more elastic skin. When you apply it during night, it's going to keep your skin hydrated overnight. It will also prevent the premature aging. It is going to give that all necessary antioxidant shot and boost to your skin. So the capsules are made with cutting edge time release technology that releases antioxidants to fortify the skin's barrier. I've been using it for some time now and I have not seen it irritating my skin at all. It actually hydrates and makes my skin look really plump and smooth. That's all I want because my skin is very dry. This is going to work for all skin types because it is very lightweight and gel based formulation. Now let's quickly talk about 72-hour Hydrating Gel Plus Probiotics. So this is infused with probiotics and prebiotics derived from fermented rice water and kombucha. It helps balance skin's microbiome and supports good bacteria to thrive. It also has a perfect blend of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which helps in keeping skin hydrated and healthy for long hours. It also minimizes dryness, itchy, inflamed skin. So I really like to use it cold. I like to keep it in my fridge for a few minutes before applying it. You just apply it on your skin. It feels so calming, it feels so soothing, and like the serum, it also sinks into the skin almost immediately and gives that nice plumped, nourished skin. It has a very faint watermelon kind of fragrance which fades almost immediately after you apply the product. Now this formula is enriched with prebiotics and probiotics. It balances the skin's natural flora and maintains a healthy microbiome and keep your skin nicely hydrated, moisturized and glowing. So this moisturizing gel has high and lower molecular level hyaluronic acid, which keeps your skin hydrated for up to 72 hours. So kombucha, which is one of the main ingredients of this moisturizing gel, is great for boosting skin's elasticity, and it also brightens up the overall complexion. And then fermented rice water is amazing for shrinking pores, the tightening of your open pores, evening out the skin's texture and fading dark spots. So I think this has all the hero ingredients that you need to keep your skin hydrated, plump and nourished this coming season, which is going to be really hot. I think this is going to work amazingly for all skin types because it is very lightweight like the serum. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review of Dot & Key's new launches. I'm going to link both the products in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Take care and bye.